In this video, I am going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon PIXMA TS3725 all-in-one printer. This printer comes with the setup ink cartridges. Once you finish that, then you have to replace with the new ink cartridges. I'm just going to replace it with the 275 XL black and 276 XL color. To remove the ink cartridges, press the ink chamber button down and you can open this section. Wait for the ink cartridges to move. Once you see both of them are here, press the lock down, take the ink cartridge out, and then press the second lock down and take the ink cartridge out. Ink cartridge, remove the seal. So there is a seal on this side. Now read the marking, it says color and black, so place the black in the black side and then push this lock up. For the color, remove the seal and place it here and then push it up. Close the ink chamber. Go to the printer display panel and wait for the confirmation. You will see a 0 icon with no flashing light. That means we have installed the ink cartridges properly. Thanks for watching.